Sometimes people come to the Holy Dham and they have a transformational experience. You understand? Transform, vikar, change. Something happens, some light goes off inside the head, as they say, some spark. In Hindi they say some prerna, something like that, prerna, inspiration coming from the heart. And then one thinks, I don't know how, I don't know why, I don't know where, when, I don't know what's going to happen, but I don't want to leave this place. I don't want to go back to my home or my family or my job or my career or my life or my friends. I don't want any of that. I just want to live in Brajadam. And of course, if the person is Indian, he's fortunate and has the mercy of Krishna and Vrindavan Dham, then he can stay here. He or she can stay here. Because Indians don't need visas. There's no foreign registration office. There's no hassle with visa, maybe hassle with family connections and family commitments and whatnot. And they may come and preach to you and may come and convince you to leave. And you'll run away and then they'll catch you and bring you back and you'll run away. Like Raghunath Das, he wanted to go to Puri to be with Lord Chaitanya. But he was the only son of a millionaire and a big zamindar in Bengal. So his father was going to leave everything to him and depending on him because he married him to a very beautiful girl also. But despite unlimited money and a beautiful wife, Raghunath ran away once and got caught and brought back, and ran away again and got caught and brought back, and ran away again and got caught. Then he was crying, Nitai, Nitai, Kripa Karo, Doyle Nitai, Doyle Nitai, Doyle Nitai, Nitai Gaur, Nitai Gaur, and Nitai Chaitanya. So finally Nitai heard his prayers and arranged for him to escape. And he never went back to his wife or family. He joined Lord Chaitanya in the holy Dham of Puri and spent 16 years of his life doing bhajan there. Then when Lord Chaitanya left this world, and then Das Goswami came to Puri and came to Brajadam, to Radhakund, and spent another 50 years or so. So this is it. Especially here, wherever you are, you pray for the mercy of Krishna. Please let me live in your holy Dham of Vrindavan. We had that same prayer also. Every year we were coming to Vrindavan for so many years at great expense and great difficulty. And every time we came, we became more encouraged to stay more and more. It became so great, the desire to live here, I couldn't bear it. It became like an obsession, like I was almost possessed by the desire to live in Braj, Vrindavan, somehow or other. And so finally that intensity of desire and commitment and determination rose to such a pitch that we said, do or die, I'm going to Braj and not coming back. So we made a sankalpa. What can we do? We can't do anything, but we thought we were making a sankalpa, we thought we were desiring. And we came here, and then somehow Krishna made all arrangements. Amazing arrangements for us. Extending our visa beyond imagination, finally awarding us Indian citizenship, and Krishna gave a place to stay and some support, and everything is going on perfectly by the mercy of Krishna. So you can have the same experience also. Hundreds of people have come to Braj or Navadvip or Puri itself here and stayed there. If one has that commitment and that desire and determination, especially if he's Indian, a young man or whatever, a lady, whatever, easier for a man, hopefully Krishna may recognize that sincerity and that, because surrendering to Vrindavan And determination to live in Vrindavan is the same as determination to live with Krishna and surrendering to Krishna. Vrindavan is like Krishna, no difference.